Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can create a SVG image easily without installing any software. So these are the three images which I have to show you the demonstration. So for example, I'm going to change the color of this cat. I have turned this cat into a red color. So similarly you can create any images that you want and you can convert it to SVG images. So I'm going to show you how. So first you need to visit this website. I have given the link to this website in the description. So now you need to select image. So I have chosen this dog. So I'm gonna save this first and drag and drop it here and then click on generate. So it will take 2 minutes to convert a JPEG images into a SVG image. So it is taking some time because my internet is kinda slow. So basically this website is a free website. You can create as much as images to SVG that you want and then download it. So go to the CANVA and drag and drop it. Here you go, you have got the image. So wait till it get downloaded to your CANVA. So as you can see, now I can able to change the colors. I am changing the color of its eye, and you'll be able to see that I'm able to change the color. I'm going to turn it into a black color because black is my favorite color. So this is the easiest way that you can create a Canva images. As you can see, I did not remove the background because the background color, you can also change the background color if you want. Suppose if you want it to be a transparent, I have made another video in which I'll be showing you can create, you can remove the background without using any other softwares. I have given the link in the description. Please. Thank you for watching these videos, guys. If you want more videos like this, then please support me by subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. I'll see you in the other video.